Hello kids, learn some shape. Okay, let's start. Pentagon, octagon. This is 8 side, इसलिए octagon. Triangle, square, circle. These are the shapes. Today we are going to learn 2-letter words. Okay kids, let's start. 2-letter words. Okay, A T at, A M E me, M E me, D O do, G O go, H I high, B E B, A S as, N O no, I F if, U P up, W V E V, S O so, at me do go high, B as no, if up, V so. These are the words. Okay kids, bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching kids.